drum roll, please welcome Mark Murphy and the P-51D Never Miss. In the legendary P-51 Mustang. From the right, ladies and gentlemen, Never Miss.
Our heroes proved in never-ending strife. Their country love. And mercy more than life. America, America, may God thy born refine till all success be nobleness and every gain divine.
The P-51D model Mustang, the Mark's flying for you, has a 1,490 horsepower engine under the hood, making this airplane capable of some incredibly high speeds, 437 miles an hour. Let's watch and listen to it now. Inbound now from the left with all 1,490 of those ponies running. Please welcome the North American P-51D model Mustang and Mark Murphy for a gorgeous, up and over beautiful, old-fashioned barn starter barrel roll. Let's watch. She knows the history of this airplane, but we'd ask if you have a young person standing beside you that you would turn to them at this point and explain to them just how important the role of the P-51 Mustang was. But more importantly, that you would explain to them that brave men fought for this nation. They defended our freedoms back in the 1940s. And before that, we're now faced with the 100-year anniversary of World War I. Many, many men and women have fought for the freedoms that we so enjoy today. And this particular airplane represents a mere generation of those brave warriors. So today, don't let it be just an air show. Explain to your young folks the history and the shoulders that we stand upon. And let's watch now and listen as Mark Murphy salutes all of our brave men and women who fight for our freedom today.
We're like, oh, wait a minute, the Raptor's supposed to fly with the P-51.
With his own P-51 D-model Mustang, Never Miss. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, our tribute pass. Asking Mark for some photos. today, and Mark, and the generosity of his family, have agreed today to do some work with our aviation photographers. How many aviation photographers do we have here with us today? Just hold up your lens and let us see you. This is something that very, very few air shows can accommodate. But today we are going to do something really special. We've asked the boss for just a few extra minutes. We know this is a crowd favorite. So ladies and gentlemen, by popular demand, we are going to invite you to make your way to the fence. If you're an aviation photographer, come on up here right to the front, bring your cameras, and get ready, because Mark Murphy is going to accommodate today with some extra photo passes for you. You can take home your very own souvenir photograph of the P-51D model, never miss, inside that gorgeous camera that you brought out here today. And hopefully you will post it for us on Facebook tonight and all of the social media sites and show the Rhode Island Airshow a little bit of love. Take these pictures home and let everybody know to come out next year and support the Airshow and all of the charities that we try and help right here in the local Rhode Island area. We're going to keep the music down just for a few seconds, and we're going to let you hear the sound of this engine. Here's one of the photo passes for our photographers out here right now. Just listen to this. We just talked to Mark right now. I think he's talking to that guy with that huge lens down there, the Hubble telescope that he brought out with him. Glad he has it there. Hopefully he got it. Mark's out here today. We want you to go back home, post these pictures. Let's listen in now.
On YouTube.
Never miss. Now from the left here, Mark is setting up. The rest of the 143rd Airlift Wing do such a great job putting this on, and it's just about 2% of what they do out here. These brave men and women truly serve our nation with pride. Let's watch now from the left in our final photo pass with Mark Murphy. Now that's how you do an air show by request, folks.
There's only like 4 or 5.
Here it comes. Permission to buzz the tower from the right, Mark Murphy. It's the red light, Russ. The big red light. You got it. Okay. Just incredible. Mustang, the T6 the family has, and keep it up on a 4,000-foot grass strip. And let me tell you, you're flying in and out of grass runways, it is work to keep those airplanes clean and nice. Mark and his family doing such a terrific, terrific job maintaining those airplanes. Our thanks to Mark Murphy and the whole Murphy family for bringing Never Miss back to Quonset. Old Nick in a flare, he knows you're all watching. He's going to try and roll her on. Look at that textbook style. Touch down with the right wheel first. Hold it on to the crosswind cap and then just perfect. Believe it or not, this is the hardest part right here. Now he's got the tail wheel down. Perfect. Perfect, perfect landing by Mark Murphy. Is he bringing it back, boss? Over in France. Some friends of mine down at the National Warplane Museum in Geneseo, New York. They left out yesterday in their gorgeous C-47. They're flying all the way to Normandy, France, taking their airplane back. They're 70 years to the day that first arrived. The invasion program. But that's the black and white stripes on Mark's airplane represent. Give him a big wave down there on the right-hand side of the field. Mark's waving to you. Showing you that world-class Mustang pilot smile. Mark Murphy now. Never miss. Now, boss, see if you can rev the engine just a bit. I know he can. We want to hear this thing. Mark's sitting right there having a great time, waving at everybody.